Hello friends, welcome to Miya's Spice World. Today we'll see how to make butter garlic prawns recipe. This is a 5-minute recipe which is easy and a great starter. This quick and easy shrimp recipe does not require any complex ingredients and can be cooked with the commonly available ingredients in the kitchen. The key is to cook the prawns perfectly and soft. Caramelized butter garlic prawn adds a magical taste to the dish. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and also hit the bell button for latest notifications. Do watch this video till the end without skipping. So now let's get started. For making this butter garlic prawn recipe, we need 500 grams of clean and deveined prawns. You can use any kind of prawns of your choice. Along with that, we need 2 tablespoons of finely chopped garlic, 3 tablespoons of butter and half a teaspoon of pepper powder. The other ingredients include 1 teaspoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon chili flakes and half a teaspoon of mixed herbs. Heat a flat pan, preferably an iron skillet, and drizzle olive oil in it. Now add the butter and allow it to melt. Oil is added to prevent butter from being burnt. Add finely chopped garlic and give it a quick stir. Now add the cleaned prawns and continue stirring. Add 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, half teaspoon of mixed herbs and mix them well. Cook the prawns on high flame for not more than 3 minutes. Now it's time to add salt and freshly grounded pepper powder. Mix everything well. Continue to cook prawns for another 1 minute on high flame. Now you can switch off the flame as prawns may turn rubbery and chewy if the prawns are overcooked. Our juicy and buttery butter garlic prawn is ready to be served. Serve it with fried rice or noodles or just as a party starter. Do try this recipe and give your feedback. This will keep us motivated to bring more such videos. Also, like this video and share with your friends. Meet you soon with another interesting recipe. Until then, keep smiling and stay safe.